Join me as I take on the challenge of creating free electricity using just an old plastic barrel. Can I really pull it off? Today, we're going to explore an idea that seems almost too good to be true: generating free electricity from an old plastic barrel. It's an idea that's definitely worth exploring, and in this video, we're going to dive in and see if it's possible. Rising energy costs are a major concern for many of us, and it's not just about the financial burden. The environmental impact of our energy consumption is a serious issue that we need to address. From burning fossil fuels to generating nuclear waste, traditional energy sources come with significant ecological costs. And let's not forget the staggering amounts of waste we generate, from plastic pollution to toxic chemicals. It's a mess that we need to clean up. The good news is that there are alternative solutions out there that can help us reduce our energy costs and carbon footprint. One such solution is harnessing renewable energy sources, and that's exactly what we're going to explore today. By thinking outside the box and finding creative ways to generate electricity, we can take a huge step towards a more sustainable future. The problem is that many of these alternative solutions require significant investments of time, money, and resources. That's why I'm excited to explore this idea of generating free electricity from an old plastic barrel. It's a solution that's accessible to anyone, regardless of their budget or technical expertise. Let's dive in and see how we can transform an old plastic barrel into an electricity-generating machine. The first step is to gather our materials. We'll need a plastic barrel, a magnet, a coil of wire, and a few other basic components. Once we have everything we need, we can start building our generator. The process is actually pretty straightforward. We'll attach the magnet to the side of the barrel and then coil the wire around it. This creates a simple electromagnetic generator that can produce a significant amount of electricity. The exact details can get a bit technical, but I'll walk you through each step of the process so you can follow along at home. As we build our generator, I'll explain the science behind how it works and what makes it so efficient. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to build your own plastic barrel generator and start harnessing free electricity. So, does this actually work? I'm not just talking about theory, I'm talking about real-world results. The answer is yes. This method has been successfully demonstrated by several individuals who have used it to generate electricity. In fact, I've got a case study that I want to share with you that shows just how effective this method can be. One individual who decided to put this method to the test was able to generate enough electricity to power their entire home. We're talking about a significant amount of energy, enough to run appliances, lights, and even charge electric vehicles. The best part is that it was all done using materials that would have otherwise ended up in a landfill. The numbers are impressive, but what really gets me excited is the potential for this technology to make a real difference in people's lives. Imagine being able to power your home without relying on the grid or breaking the bank. It's a game changer, and it's something that we can all start working towards today. So, what's the takeaway from all of this? Generating free electricity from an old plastic barrel is a viable solution that's worth exploring. It's not just about saving money. It's about reducing our environmental impact and creating a more sustainable future. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on this method in the comments below. Have you ever tried generating electricity in a creative way? Share your experiences and let's keep the conversation going. And if you want to learn more about renewable energy solutions, be sure to check out our next video for more inspiring ideas and innovative